testing water lines that feed a mop sink, faucet, and a wash down. These are the water lines we're testing. Usually, like I said, state of Massachusetts, you want to test water lines at 125 psi. And this is the wash down. These are the mop sink water lines that we are testing. That's where the mop sink base is gonna go. And these are the water lines for that wash down on the other side. It's very important that we test, because if we have a leak, we have to fix it. And we would rather fix it now. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube page and like this video, comment. Thanks, have a good day. And this is why we test.